Ever finish a meal and wonder where it all went? Here's a powerful tip. Slow down while you eat. Chewing each bite thoroughly and putting your fork down between bites gives your body time to signal when it's full, helping you avoid overeating. Eating slowly also allows your digestive system to work more efficiently, reducing bloating and discomfort. Plus, you'll notice flavors and textures you usually miss, making meals more enjoyable. Try setting a timer or taking deep breaths between bites to build this habit. Your body and your mind will thank you.